In this video, I will show you how to premiere your video on YouTube. Now, in case you didn't know, YouTube Premiere allows you to schedule your video and at the same time notify your viewers about the upcoming video. And during the premiere, you can interact with your viewers through a live chat and even get live donations from them. And when it comes to premiering the video, you need first to upload your video, then add the video details and elements and perform other required tasks. And after that, you can move to visibility where you need to choose public, then set as an instant premiere. And you can also come down here on schedule and schedule your video within date and time, then set as premiere. And as you can see, you can set up a countdown of the scheduled premiere. And after you publish your premiere, if you go to channel content, you can edit the video. And you can also edit the premiere countdown. And if you load your video on YouTube, you can interact with your viewers as you wait for the video to be published fully. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on YouTube and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.